Hey guys, Kyle here, marketing manager at CarBahn. I'm here with Steve Dinan and Chris McNaughton, our sales manager. I just want to talk to you guys real quick about our carbon fiber sale. It's carbahn.com/sale. 20% off all carbon fiber for the month of March
And April.
and April.
Wow,
So
you're extending it.
we just
Nice
released
guy.
probably 40 new products over the last 3 months, so go
Been a
check it
lot.
out. Yeah, it's been a lot. So
Guys have been
definitely go
working
check it
hard.
out. Chris?
Some of the ones obviously we're excited about. We have beautiful carbon fiber engine cover. This is for an S58 engine. So go check that out at carbahn.com/sale, as well as our carbon fiber intake system. They do come with a high flow filter. So you get rid of your paper filter, and hydrocarbon filter makes 7 to 15 horsepower, right, Steve?
7 on the 6 and like 15 on the V8 with the
There you
boost
go.
turned up. Really good, yeah.
Steve can get into some technical stuff.
Well, he kind of covered that for me. But these are also available for the S63 V8 on the new M5 and M8, the X5, X6M, X3M, X4M, M2, M3, M4. All the 6 cylinders make about 7 or 8 more horsepower, and all the V8s make about 14 or 15. The reason we picked this direction instead of making an exotic colder intake like a lot of our competitors make is, one, is it's a lot less money, but two is we tested all the large colder intakes people were making, and none of them actually made more power than this, because the majority of the restriction is the hydrocarbon absorber and the filter in the airbox, and not the actual housing itself. BMW has 2 very large housings on the S58 and very large plumbing, and all the plumbing that we've tested on these cars in colder intakes actually makes less power. I'm not saying we've tested them all. We've also had a lot of check engine lights and engine problems. So by keeping it just with a lid, we're maintaining all the OEM plumbing, which works great, and we're getting rid of the actual restriction was the filter. So you can get the most amount of power you can get on the marketplace and save some money as well.
So great
There you
bang
go.
for your buck. So go check those out. We have them all in stock. Most important part, ready to go today.
Yep.